Today the cases of sort of increased from what yesterday's number is, and I mean a lot. So I'd say that we are back on close to 2,000 hashtag that thing again. So it's the day 272 of wave 2 of coronavirus, and it is the 34th day with cases over 1,000 in a row. So today's cases hail at 1,890. Yesterday we had 1,676. So I thought maybe we could lower this. But I was wrong. That never happened. So So 517 cases are from Toronto, 471 is from Peel Region. Yeah, Toronto and Peel Region are not handling it well right now. 187 is from York Region, 96 is from Halton Region, and 94 is from Windsor-Essex Region. Which is close to Detroit, if you don't. Yeah. So I don't know how Detroit is handling things, but hope people ain't crossing the border right now. So all of the public health other regions have reported under 90. So that's a slight decrease by 10 by cases. Because for the last few days we had other regions are reporting 100 cases every day, or below 100. Yeah. So today, it's very disappointing to see here that 28 more deaths were reported today. So just a reminder. So London, I don't have to keep telling you guys this, but London, Middlesex Region, and Thunder Bay, it's still in the orange zone now, and so the areas which includes Cornwall, Peterborough, Northumberland, and Quinte West is now in yellow zone. Slight more procedures, but yeah. So the rules have not changed for like the yellow zone to or the orange zone or the green zone, but people really need to, especially if you're in the gray zone, you need to follow that rule. And that is Toronto and Peel Region. Yes. And just as a reminder, so if you want to order takeout from a restaurant, but their website has not updated, where do you go? You can go to DoorDash.ca, or you can go to the DoorDash app on your phone, check, or you can use the Uber Eats, same thing, and you can order. Or if you just want to pick it up, which you can. So all you need to do is look at the menu of DoorDash, call the restaurant, and order what you want, and yeah, you can pick it up. Easy peasy. So don't socialize with anyone else unless if it's an emergency, like actually take me to the hospital emergency or something like that. So those who are traveling to another prevent out of the province or internationally. And so you were to take a vaccine, so which is available literally next week, actually. So all you need to do is, take the vaccine, get vaccinated. So if you are tested positive, you can't. If you are tested negative, you can. For a certain number of days. So taking the vaccine is mandatory, but if you can, go for it. And if you are traveling, you should. So now more people are hospitalized, with the 811 people hospitalized, and 221 patients are in ICU. 129 patients are in ICU are on a ventilator. Wow. And schools, yes, schools. This is from 866 schools out of the entire 4,828. So those schools really need to go more advanced on the coronavirus stuff. Maybe cases will go down from schools, but however, it is now at 5,919 now from schools. That's the number of cases. 3,966 from students, 865 from staff, and unknown individuals is still at 1,088. 11 schools are still closed right now. So I suspect some of the newer schools are either from the newer list closed up, but so that could from the London Middlesex region, Thunder Bay, Toronto and Peel region, York region. Who knows? They never tell us. So long-term care home death is now at 2,341. Number of outbreaks in the long-term care homes, which however it's decreased by one. It's at 115 right now. Yeah. Let's just hope the outbreaks in long-term care homes decrease, because long-term care homes have had a lot of cases happening right there, and we'll be very grateful if we see cases decrease. So rural regions are asking gray zone and red zone region people to not visit their towns and small cities, and even native people have asked this too. So, and food banks, so if you can, so you can donate non-perishable food items and maybe money if not sure how sure it's going to work right now, but because I haven't seen any Christmas parades happening this year, never will this year. So help donate that food to local food banks if you can. Rankings. So record now at 154,740 in total cases right now. Ontario is at 134,605. Alberta is at 72,028. BC is at 38,718. Manitoba is in 5th place with 19,376. Saskatchewan is at 10,597. Nova Scotia is at 1,383. New Brunswick is at 541 now. Newfoundland and Labrador, the new fees are at 352. Nunavut is at 220. PEI is at 84 now. Not so sure if it's changed. It hasn't. Yukon Territories is at 58 now, and Northwest Territories has not changed with 15. So, follow coronavirus safety rules and such, and maybe, and, if you, instead of meeting up with large people, you can talk with people on social media. Don't do any activities with other people. Only go on essential travel and keep your health your first priority. Get vaccinated if you think you have coronavirus. Get tested. Yeah. And stay out of areas where coronavirus cases can be high, and avoid going to places if you are from a high case area. Check which color zone your region is in, and maybe, just maybe, if we keep doing the same thing and trying to reduce the cases down, we will not have to deal with coronavirus by the middle of 2021. Maybe.